Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
Kaohsiung is an amazing street food travel destination. There are more than 20 different markets in this southern Taiwanese city. But in this video, we will visit Liuhe Tourist Night Market and Ruifeng Night Market. Liuhe Night Market has been in operation since the 1950s and specializes in seafood dishes.
I didn't realize this night market was this big. It's giant, man.
The closest metro stop is Formosa Boulevard.
What is it?
Deliciousness.
But what does it taste like?
Like good?
Like good. Okay, can you explain any of the flavors or just good?
Like a hot, delicious thing that's yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna have to eat this and explain it to you. Tastes like cheese and garlic and some kind of fish. I'm not sure what kind of fish.
It's definitely shrimp.
Shrimp? Yeah. And a little bit of cloves, maybe? Really good. I'm better at describing than you. Mm-hmm. So this guy is green onion and an egg and some oysters in what looks like a cauliflower bowl. I'm gonna try this guy and not burn myself. Oh my goodness. That was delicious. Tastes like an egg roll. It's so good. You wanna try it?
It smells so good.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's seriously delicious.
Yeah. That was delicious, but now we're on the hunt for more delicious treats.
Yeah. Delicious pancake thing.
Yeah, leek pancake thing.
It was really hot. Like you just made it, so I don't know.
Maybe just nibble the tiniest bit.
That's really good.
Yeah. I just wanted to stop this to say, this scallion pancake is super nostalgic for me. Because when I visited Taiwan by myself in 2013 for the Lunar New Year, all the shops were closed. But I found a stall that was open selling these pancakes, and went back every day to get one, from the little old man who was selling them and his adorable little old man posse.
Yeah.
Does it burn your face off?
Yeah. But it's really good.
Feel the burn. Yeah. Some games too. Those fish are drunk. Really. I didn't realize we were also traveling to New Zealand.
A beefsteak.
A beefsteak.
That's what I always call it.
Yeah. Where are we headed to now?
Night market.
What one?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Let's go.
All right.
This looks like a night market.
I hope so.
Smells delightful. Ruifeng Night Market is the largest night market in Kaohsiung. The market has over 1,000 stalls, mostly selling food, but you'll also find clothing and game booths. It is open 5 p.m. until 2 a.m. This market has been open for 20 years. And the closest metro is Zaoing. This might have been the place to get your sandals.
Probably. Okay.
Still ready for this? You gonna try your pepper pie?
Yeah, some meat,
Try it.
onions, some goods in there. It's really hot though. Is yours super hot?
Mine's fine.
Yeah, just feel my bag there.
Mine's not as hot. It's potato cheese.
How's your potato cheese pie? Really good.
Yeah, it is.
Just the breading's really good.
What do you feel like trying next?
Whatever catches our fancy, I suppose. Thoughts? Do you like it?
Weird consistency of fish. But it's good, I think.
Popcorn fish.
Yeah? You like it?
Not as much as I'd hoped. It's not bad though. Oh yeah.
I don't think I really want to play a game, do you?
No, I'm good.
Do you want to play the crossbow game? You'll shoot your eye out!
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
You'll shoot your eye out.
There's like darts games and stuff that might be easier.
Yeah, not
Okay. Alright, so how did you feel about that?
the what's it? Ruifeng?
Ruifeng, I think?
Ruifeng Night Market?
If we're wrong, we'll just put a big sound and we'll put the right name over the screen.
It's intense.
Yeah.
Lots of delicious options. I don't know if there's any options that aren't like greasy or sugary or a combination thereof. But if that's your thing, then this is the place. Is it Friday today?
Thursday?
Thursday was Halloween.
It's Friday.
Friday.
It might just be a busier thing on the weekend then. We don't know. We don't even know what day it is, so, you know.
So if you wanted the answers, we're giving you the hard-cutting truths and facts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
And traffic noise. That's the best place to talk to a camera.
excellent place.
Yeah.
Anyway, we should adventure on.
Yeah. See you wherever that is.